Okay, so we're on 2C, which is the last problem for this practice test. It says, what did you notice about Kanye's growth rate? What kind of conclusions can you make about Kanye's growth rate over the years? And what would you explain to Kanye about his belief about his money growth rate slowing down? Use diagrams, words, numbers, calculations, explain your answer. So we could say um, the calculations, and you can use your own words here, the best way you can explain it. Let me just explain the big picture here. We showed from our calculations that the growth rate is staying the same every single year. He's making $6 million per year, no matter which interval that we use. So he's always making the same amount of money. The calculations from 2B show that Kanye is making the same amount each year. We could just say, what's a good reason for Kanye believing his money growth rate is slowing down? One reason Kanye may believe his growth rate is slowing down is because one thing that could be deceiving for some people is that we use different intervals. So between the first interval it's just 2 years, between the second interval it is 4 years, between the next interval is 3 years. So that can throw some people off, is that they look at just these numbers here and they're like, oh no, I'm not making as much money. So that would be my reason here, because the different intervals can be deceiving. Deceiving means like it's tricking you or it's misleading you. Okay, so that's it for this practice task. Now use this information to help you answer the real task for you. And if you have any questions, make sure that you can rewatch parts of this video or ask a friend or ask me, and we'll help you out. Alright, see you in the next one.